lately I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're
I brought you home to meet my family. You asked if you could stay the night. Honestly, I would not have minded, no, till you gave my sister the eye. We sat for dinner around the table. Big Mama's famous shepherd's pie. Big Mama. I dropped my fork, so went to find it. Whoa, saw your hand on my sister's thigh. Oh, why? I don't know why. I thought I was your mister, but you just want my sister. Oh, why have you done this to me, baby? Now I know why you kissed her when we played Family Twister. Oh, how awkward Christmas will be for me. And now you're standing at the altar. You look so beautiful in white, but it's not me that's standing.